Hey guys, welcome back to the Island family. This is your girl Maria.
Yeah.
Boy there.
And
Island.
okay, an island boy. So guys, we are.
And the lady gave me.
So guys, yes. So going for an ultrasound now, and hopefully it all goes well. You know, I am busting to go to the toilet, and yeah, I just can't wait to get to that loo. But yeah, so stay tuned.
Yeah,
let's
man.
go. We're gonna have breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Right here, guys.
My head.
And you said you were getting regular periods?
Yes. Hey, they could be like 1 or 2 days late, but not like tremendous, like a week.
So it is a little bit, we're obviously getting much better views through the tummy, and I'm going to get another measurement, but we will treat this as a dating scan today. Just got kidneys here.
I've seen them. Wow, look at the kidneys.
Oh.
Side.
Look.
Hi guys. One baby.
Yeah. First time I see this like in person, guys. Exciting.
Mama playing this one.
Yeah, so we're here now. Made our order.
Having breakfast.
Yeah, this nice little restaurant. Yeah. Island. All you want is ice cream.
So tell them what you saw. Where did we go this morning?
I just see a big baby this morning, last night.
Where was the big baby?
Yeah.
Where's the baby?
Down there.
Down there. You hear that? Island was watching.
In Gololo.
Okay, cool.
We'll have some breakfast. We're hungry. Long drive down to Ballina.
Yeah, very long drive.
Bye, guys.
Wow.
Easy, Island.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you kindly.
Thank you.
I did not bring you. I put it there. I'll give you a sorry.
How does it taste?
Cool.
Good?
Go
Yeah.
down, Island. Hey. Island, take it easy. Where's your ice cream then?
Just had breakfast and now we're going for a little walk. Right,
Now
baby?
You can see my belly.
Yeah, look. Belly.
Big.
That's not just full. There's something in there. There's something in there. So, yeah.
Baby.
What is in there?
Baby.
Oh, yes, there is. Alright. So just a walk around a bit. Find them track shoes, the footy. Is it footy? Oh, soccer. Oh, it's some beautiful stuff here, eh? Yeah, that one. Yeah. What's that one?
A Pokemon.
What is it?
A Pokemon.
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 Is it gonna be a pillow? What is it? Is it like a pillow? Mystery
How much is
fig.
that? $10.
What is that?
No.
Mystery fig.
No, Mr.
You want this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it like a present for me or something?
No, just a mystery box. So you get like, I don't know, you get something in there. You want that? You have to pay for it. Come on, go.
Are these like games? Oh, like Mario.
Come on, Bobby.
TK Maxx. We're gonna see what's in here.
TK Maxx is a shop where they sell TK Maxx is like all your brand, some brand stuff.
Oh, really
most.
branded. Let's see. Oh, $50 for it.
36.
Island.
Island. Come here.
Yeah.
$6. That's cute. I actually like that. Down from $70 down to $36.
That's
A nice little bag.
a good deal.
Come on, Bobby.
Okay, then.
You like it?
I do like it.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want that one or the other denim one.
Sure, son, I'll get it there.
No.
Main section. Yeah, not really. Just a bag. Okay. Yeah. I think I do need another slippers. Like, it's like this.
Nice luggage, actually.
Yeah. With the map. The world map.
Where's Jamaica? Hang on here.
It's a big one.
North America. You'd be here, wouldn't it?
Cuba right there.
I want to go to the beach.
They don't have Jamaica there and Cuba is right there.
I want to go.
They don't print it all out, you realize?
I want to go to the beach right there.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Yeah.
What kind of shoes do you like, babes?
I was looking at this one too, I like the Cuba.
Puma's nice. Try them on.
It doesn't show the price or the size I'm looking for.
Yeah, inside.
Oh,
$60. Not bad for Pumas.
the size.
Size also. These are a size 9.
Too small.
Too small, yeah. We already
Bigger
know
foot.
You got big foot.
I
Big foot
definitely.
means big.
You need a new slippers though.
What? Slippers or shoes?
I just got distracted by the shoes.
They're nice. They're Lacoste. You know, a lot of dancehall artists have that brand, no?
Okay.
Or crocodile.
Crocodile
teeth. That one. Skilly bang.
Yeah, and the price for that one is, call it $70.
The blue ones?
This one. Size 8, what's the price? Flip it, this size.
Doesn't say.
Yeah. I know it.
What's the other one? Say it?
Yeah, the other one you said.
No, this one.
Oh, or maybe it's on this.
No price.
Why some of them don't have the price? I don't get it.
Strange. So these are all your size, your big sizes, size 10.5. This
This
is
is,
like yours. So they're Pumas too, but all black.
yeah.
These are Guess.
Mom, get the
Guess shoes.
trolley.
Anyway, sorry. Here.
Mom, get the trolley.
Yeah, just sit down and relax. Well, if I really want to wear these turn around ladies, I'll break my ankle. Or Steve Madden shirt. Look at me break my ankle, guys. You know, wear these kind of heels these days.
Mom, that's
Wait, doesn't fit me. They're a size 6. They're a size 6. They look like a size 9, but they're definitely a size 6. $20 for those. Oh, there you go. These aren't too bad. They look quite comfy. Coconuts. They call these coconuts. Different. I love unique shoes like that. That's Maria style, guys. That's my sort of thing. Uniqueness. These look comfy as hell, actually. Oh, these are nice. Let's try these on. Oh. Just gonna put them there. Oh yeah, they got backpacks there. Oh, my fat foot doesn't fit. Oh, $9.99. That's a really nice. What's in there?
I want to open it.
Show you this.
Daddy can open this.
Baby, just
Can you wait, please, till we get to the car?
Mom.
open it for him, please, and just stop. Oh, you're funny. Wait, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Show you what I want. Oh, wrong foot. Actually, really comfy shoes, but they don't fit me for some reason. I think I need a 9.5. No, that ain't gonna work, but they're really pretty. You find anything? Some slippers? Cool. Yeah. You didn't like the backpacks?
Yeah, I do actually. I was just thinking of it. Oh, this is
Hey, guys,
This one is $60.
Oh, that's a nice brand too, Pierre Cardin.
Hey,
Compartments.
party.
What's this thing?
Hey, party. Hey.
Oh
Some
wow,
USB.
cool.
So what does this mean?
Charge your phone.
So how does it get power?
You have to charge it probably and it will tell you when it's done.
Oh, look at this guy. See there? And the USB comes through here. That is some crazy bag. I've never seen this before.
I can open this.
That is pretty cool actually.
Mm,
That is pretty cool.
wicked.
Wicked, eh?
We call it
Uh,
Yeah,
I
good
can
idea. How much is it?
open this.
$60.
That's not
I
bad at all.
can open this.
Give me that island. You know, island, you're really something else, someone. Just hang on, guys, 1 minute. For the ladies, I don't need new shoes. Babe got me some for Christmas this past year. So I don't need new shoes, to be honest. And I just bought a pair of Chuck Taylors, and what else did I get? And Nikes, which I haven't worn yet. So yeah, can't really wear much things at the moment being pregnant, but yeah, that's how the thing go. And that's how the thing go. Anyway, like to have a little laugh, you know. Yes. So
I find you, Mom.
I find you too, Bobo.
I was going that.
Nice lingerie. I like that one. It's actually really nice.
Here you go. Lick it and eat it. Chew! Chew! Just spit it out. Chew! Chew! It's bigger. Back.
Baby, what do you reckon? Should I get these?
Look like a vibe.
This is probably what got me in this mess in the first place.
You know.
Trouble, did it? Ooh, baby, look.
Sexy lingerie.
Sexy lingerie. You like all that stuff, don't you? Oh my gosh. Now we're exploiting our secrets. Come over this way.
Anything on there?
I'm looking. We've got like clearance racks as well, guys, as well. Oh, look, how cute. Now we gotta start shopping for, well, we don't know yet.
Yeah, true.
Could it be? Couldn't it be? Could it be?
Wait and see.
We don't know. Not sure. But all the same, cute stuff. Very cute stuff, actually. Ooh, what else do we need? Do we need any shirts and shorts or anything? Oh, look at this shirt. Caribbean.
Island supply.
I just saw it and I'm like, oh, there's more backpacks there. Oh, look there. Oh, for those, yeah. I just like the idea of the USB. Do you need underwear? Oh, they're nice shirts.
Colorful,
Very
vibrant.
nice, yeah.
Something to really put on clothes.
Levi's. Oh, they're cheaper too, $30.
Yeah.
Don't need to go too expensive. How much is that one?
What's the price? $49 this
I
one.
want to get copyright music too.
Yeah, I'll cut out one.
Yeah, grab the
$24.
for real. Island cheeky boy. Look good vibes.
One look on the
Yep. It's a nice shirt, that one. Come here, Island. Oh, these bags are pretty cool too, because like Babe can just like, I'll have to show you. Hang on. Okay. Island, stop. Come on. Babe, behave yourself, please. Come on. So like, Babe, I was thinking like this bag's good too, because they're one of those ones you wear like at the front like this.
Yeah, those are the trendy.
They're the
bags
trending
now.
bum bags.
Yeah.
Lots of people wear these days.
Yeah, it's very handy. You just dip in.
Yeah, I think you go like that.
Yeah.
And then you just open it. They're really good for traveling, I think, too.
True.
You just
Keep
put all your
everything in
stuff
front,
in one.
of you.
100%.
Yeah.
How much is this? $30.
Alright, so we're gonna choose.
That one's got like easy pockets now. Yep. Cool.
I like the dark.
Yep.
Alright, so change of plan, guys. Take this one. It's more cheap and yeah.
Yeah,
good for me.
we're about the
Yeah.
cheaper life things, not
Yeah.
the...
Save money. Eh?
Yeah, that's right. Plus you've got a hard drive, not a hard drive, a charging cable if you want to charge your
Charging
stuff.
board.
Yeah, this is a nice bag though, Levi's, $30. Alright,
Yeah, this is different. Yeah, I've never had a style bag like this, but I've seen them work.
you can pack so much in those, I think.
Yeah.
They're more like camping bags, I would suggest, maybe. Do you need socks?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Drink bottle?
No. If it looks good.
Oh, yeah.
What was that? Oh shit.
Excuse the
Yeah.
growling and howling. Things are getting a little bit heavier on my end. Show me.
Oh, this part is on maybe.
Oh, that's why. Yeah. Not bad. Ooh, I like. Is that the only size they have?
I like it, but it's so much color. It's so bright. I like low key.
Low key dark
You like the
colours.
brown maybe?
Oh, the brown one's nice. Black one.
Because we have so much stuff in our hand, it's hard to.
Sometimes I hate bending down because I get really nauseous. No, that's too
small.
small.
Yeah.
We already know the baby's got your head shape.
I don't even know the size on hats. Like I just try it on and then like,
Yeah, they have sizes, I think,
where does it say?
inside.
Oh,
So
you go by a number or something?
yeah, it should be.
What is that?
Oh, one size. OS means one size.
Oh.
No, that sucks.
Yeah.
All the big fat heads have already been.
Yeah, this one fit, I would say fit, but
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. It suits you.
probably take that again and see what you guys think. Looks good.
I like it.
No, danke.
Yeah, it's good.
Danke.
How much? How much is this again?
$18
24.
from 24 to 18. Not bad.
Oh yeah. Want to get some for yourself, babe?
No, I'm good, babe.
Get you
I'm
something.
good. Oh, look at those chairs for Bobo though. These little lounge chair. Bobby,
Yeah.
look naman.
I want to buy this.
Sit down there. Careful your head.
Careful. Look at him, so relaxed.
You won't even sit on it.
How much is it?
It's on clearance, I think.
What does that mean?
Oh, special. That one's a bit wasted though. That's like faded away.
Comfy.
I don't know how much they could give you
So
that.
comfy.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, come on. Up we get.
It's for babies.
Babies.
Yeah.
You're not a baby anymore. You're a big boy now.
No.
Yeah, you are. You're huge now. You're a huge boy.
No.
All right, come on. I hate bending down because I feel sick. Island this way.
And then
Cute.
Island.
If it's a girl, or it could also be a boy. Another boy. Another Gidgy boss. Another Gidgy head. Could it be? Maybe.
No.
All right, let's go.
No. Toys.
No, you've got a toy in your hand. You've got two.
What? It's my one.
Bag now.
everything's inside.
Mom, can you
Got girls for all the Barbie girls.
Dad,
Like their bags. How much is this one, Jessica Tour? Just real quick. $50. Ooh, hand woven bag. Not bad at all. That's cute. Okay. Just giving you all a little look at some of the brand bags we have. Or they have, I should say. Steve Madden, if you're into his kind of stuff. Because we know, ladies, if you want me to come back and do like just an exclusive video of the female things, then I will. Yeah. All right, let's go out this way, baby. This way. Looking at the jewelry. Oh, that's a nice bracelet.
We're going out. I want to test the audio on this, like when it gets windy.
Oh, let's go for a swim. I feel warm now.
Come, Bobby, hold on to Mom.
You want to go to Brunswick again?
I don't know, wherever you prefer.
Let's go this way.
Oh, yeah.
The sun's too bright.
Sun's too bright.
We're at the beach. Let's get away, yay.
Good old Shelly Beach, you know. Down there is where I normally go to fish. I haven't been fishing in months.
Come on.
Sun is hot. Right. Oh. That is stone, guys. Looks really nice. That is why already ready for the water. It's low tide today. Low tide. Hope it's not cold. It's always hard to get in. Wait for it. Oh. It always give that effect when it hits your feet. Oh my God. Water pulling back too.
That's alright after it hits your feet.
So much seashell. Lots of seashell with the
Where
rocks.
did they come from?
Out of the sea.
No, but like, why did they come so many?
Yeah. Over time they all come back to shore. Whoa, what you know? That's that's cold.
Yeah, but once you get in, it's alright.
Yeah, I always hate that. Trying to get in. What you know?
Hang on, so let's ask the viewers what they think.
Huh?
Team boy or team girl?
Yeah.
Because we don't know what we're having yet.
True.
So let us know what you think it is.
Yeah, man.
Team boy or team girl? Babe, what do you reckon it is?
Girl.
A girl?
The balance, you know? I already have a boy, so yeah, girl, me say.
I personally think the way I've been feeling, probably a girl,
Yeah.
but who knows?
Yeah.
I've been feeling more sick than Island, that's for sure.
See. Wait here, Island. Island, wait here. Hey, I said to wait here. Oi, give me a hand and wait. Big wave. This is the moment. Oh my god. Cool. Yeah. Island. Oh my god, that's a big wave. Island, come here. Hey, stop it. Because they don't know the danger.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Once you get in, it's beautiful. Alright, yeah.
You have to hold them because sometimes the waves smash.
It's nice. Island, come here, please.
That's nice.
That was nice.
Yeah, thought it was fun.